have arrived safely at MCRD San Diego. The next time I will contact you will be by postal mail, so expect the letter in 2 to 3 weeks. I love you. Goodbye.
This recruiter's arrived safely at Paris Island. Please do not send any food or bulky items in the mail. This recruit will contact you in 7 to 9 days by letter with a new address. Thank you for your support. Goodbye for now.
He sat in that long line of barber chairs, and the sergeant asked him, "Son, would you like to keep your hair?" He said, "Yes, sir," as he heard those clippers buzz and hum. And the sergeant said, "Well, hold out your hands, 'cause here it comes. Simplify, do or die, so gung-ho to go and pay the price. Here's to leathernecks, devil dogs and jarheads, Paris Island in July. Simplify. I sleep in my bed instead of a foxhole. I've never heard my boss tell me to lock and load. Ain't no bullet holes in the side of my SUV, because the kid next door just shipped out overseas. Simplify, or die, so gung-ho to go and pay the price. Here's to leathernecks, devil dogs and jarheads, and Paris Island in July. Simplify. For the few that wear the dress blues, haircut high and tight, who are proud to be the first ones in the fight. Simplify. Simplify. Do or die, so gung-ho to go and pay the price. Here's to leathernecks, devil dogs and jarheads, and Paris Island in July. Never leave a man behind, a Marine for life. Simplify.